What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a review video, a unboxing video. And about 2 years ago, I got my Galaxy S8, and today I'm getting an upgrade. So yeah, today I'm gonna be I've got the S10 in let's see, Prismarine Black, I think. Yeah, Prismarine Black. Give me a second, I'm just gonna do a backup on my save. Back up. Right, let's see. Right. There you go. Backup and restore, right. Right, backup data. Right, I'm just backing up my data so I can get onto this phone. Give me a second, guys. Right. Oh, it may take a bit. Oh no, it's doing it. Right, whilst it's doing that, let me get a knife so I can unbox it. Right now. Okay, right. I'm gonna do it by the USB way. I'm gonna do it the USB way because I haven't got enough stuff. Right. Right then. Let's do it. He's supposed to do this. Oh my god. He's supposed to do this. Right. Is that it? Oh my god. I don't want to break the box, that's what. Right, there we go. Right. Let's see. Let's unbox it. Unboxing it here. Right, here we go. Right, take that colour out. Right then. Here we go, guys. You can't really see that clear, but I can kind of. Samsung Galaxy S10. Right now. So it's got all of that. You can read it if you want. It's got all of that in it. I got the Samsung Galaxy S10. You guys kind of can't read that, but here we go. Literally. Oh, you got a little sticky here. Right. Let's go. Let's do this. Rah. It's not really good. I'm doing this on my mouse thing. I think I just put it out. Oh yeah. Oh my god. And then in here, got your little case of books and stuff. Put them to the side for when you need them. And the phone here. Oh my god. I thought this phone would have been bigger, to be honest. I thought this phone would have been way bigger. Right, let's see. Oh. Sorry, my camera keeps on going out of focus. Oh, sound. Oh, there's no one on the front. I thought there would have been one on the front. Right. And then you've got your fast charging. Then you've got your USB Type-C cable. This is to transfer your data. And then some AKG headphones. Right. Right now. Close the case now. And now Okay, seems kind of small now. Jeez. Right. Fine, there we go. Right. Put the new to the side here. Right, let's turn on the phone now. Oh, that's nice. Right, now, whilst it's turning on, let's put the SIM card in. Let's put the SIM card in. Just starting Android. Right then. Right, let's take that. Is that the top? Yeah, it's at the top. Right, where's it? Right. Is this the same colour? No. No, it's not the same colour, right. Oh, shit. Right, let's put that in there. Or is it too small? Oh, that's micro SD. That's micro SD. Right. I think that's how you have it. Right, there you go. And then put my old SIM card for my old phone. And put it in here. Right. Oh. Hopefully you can't hear that. Where's my mouse? Where's my mouse? Hopefully you can hear that from my... And then... Oh, shoot. That doesn't feel like it's in. No, it doesn't fit. What the hell? Micro SD doesn't fit. In right. It's 100% in right. Right, there you go. Right now. Turn this back on. Right now. Let's start up. Right. Right. So like this. Over there, right. Now. Let's put this back here and there. We don't need it anymore because I've used it. Right then. Here you go. Oh. Checked all the agreements. Can you see that? Kind of. I'm gonna do this. Right, okay. Right, that's it. I've done the unboxing now. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. And yeah, I'll see you later. Bye bye.